dinosaurs. Birds that characterize their excellent flying ability. A word of 10,000 different species of birds with feather wings. The wings are made of feathers that are stiff yet flexible. This allows them to fly great heights and maneuver rapidly in defying gravity. Images of birds of life soaring to the sky signifies freedom and hope. But flying is not the only skill they know. So join us today as we enjoy the words of how truly amazing and intelligent these birds are. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all start the show by welcoming a flag racing bird, Bandit. Bandit is green-winged macaw. As you can see, their body is covered with mostly red plumage. Their wing and tail feathers are blue and green. These macaws are feathers. And there we go, our show was officially started. A round of applause for a flag racing bird, Bandit, green alien.
Hello everyone, maayong hapon sa tanan and welcome to Cebu Ocean Park's Amphitheater. By the way, my name is Alfie and I'll be your host for the show. Now for our next featured birds, they are just like any married couples. Monogamous, meaning they will be partners for a lifetime. Pretty romantic, isn't it? But as any couples will attest, in a relationship, there will always be battles. Now let's meet Blue and Goldie, our beautiful pair of blue and gold macaw. And today, they will battle it out in who's the best in a basketball game. But before we start this battle, I'll be dividing you guys into two groups. For the boys, let's cheer for Blue. Come on boys, say, go Blue, go Blue. Alright, for the girls, let's cheer for Goldie. Come on, girls, say Goldie, 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 Goldie. Alright, so, are you guys ready?
Ready!
I can hear you. Are you guys ready? Alright, birds ready, set, go! Come on, guys, let's cheer for them. Here comes Blue for the first ball. Come on, Blue. First ball for Blue. Catch up, Goldie, second ball for Blue. Ball. Blue wins the game. Alright, Goldie. Alright. Trainer Joseph, what happened? You guys lose this game.
I want another race.
Ooh, he wants another race.
Are you sure about that? Do you want Goldie to lose again?
Uh-oh, intense fight.
Well, this time I guarantee you that Goldie will win.
Palaban, ha?
So, what race do you have in mind?
Yeah, what race, by the way?
Let's do a ring race.
Ring race?
What's a ring race?
What's the ring race?
The first bird who can drop 3 rings into the pole that passes is the winner. That is a ring race.
Alright, so a ring race, it shall be. Remember that boys can already have 1 point. Let's cheer louder. We're going to win this time. And we'll be doing this again with our ring race. Alright, are you ready for the second round?
Ready!
Alright, birds ready, set, go! Come on, Goldie, catch up for this game. Here comes Blue for the first wing. Come on, Goldie, faster! Alright, first wing for Blue. And hey, what is this? Goldie, how clever was that? And the winner is Goldie. Oh boy, flurries at the same time. Trainer Irvin, what can you say?
Hey, you guys cheated.
Oh, did you guys cheat?
No, we didn't cheat. Goldie used her way.
Ah, so is it true that girls are more intelligent than the boys? Of course, give it up for Blue and Goldie.
Come on, come on.
intelligent and perceptive. That's why we continue to enhance their skills so that they won't get bored. Here comes Bennett once again, and he's going to show us how intelligent he is by putting on the shades right back to the correct slots. Just like penguin, green-winged macaws are from South and Central America. They are known as the gentle giants. It is because they're the second largest parrot next to the hyacinth macaw. They can grow up to 92 centimeters in length and can live up to 8 years old. The scientific name is Arabidopterus. There you go, intelligent, right? How about a round of applause for green-winged macaw, Bennett? Now guys, I have here an object which I will hide under one of these 3 silver cups. So guys, where do you want me to put this object? On your left, right, or in the middle? Again, which side? Left, right, or in the middle? Louder. Here. There you go. Now let's call in our psychic bird, Goldie. Alright, Goldie is the blue and gold macaw. Now guys, we believe that Goldie has the ability to find the hidden object. If it's a yes, let me hear you say, you can do it, Goldie.
You can do it, Goldie.
Alright, Goldie, use your psychic power and find the hidden object for us. Where could it be, Goldie? Where could it be? There you go! Goldie! Now, for the next part of the show, I'll be needing an adult volunteer with a 500 peso bill. Anyone who wants to be the luckiest guest for today? Adult volunteer po with a 500 peso bill. Yes, ma'am? Who want?
Bro.
Adult volunteer with a 500 peso bill. Anyone? Yes, ma'am. Very glad. Alright, please come here and join us in front and bring your 500 peso bill. Alright. Your name? Right, round of applause for volunteer Miss Cassandra. Right now, can I get 500 peso bill? Alright, holding it. Alright, send your left one like this. Alright, so I'll be putting your money between your fingers. Now, ma'am, do you have any idea what will happen next? No idea? Well, you'll see because here comes our money bird, Blue. Alright, our money bird can check if the money is paid or not. One Blue. Shall we? Blue flies over, gets the money. Blue flies back, and I guess Blue will donate the money. For you, did you know that Cebu Ocean Park is also a wildlife rescue center for the animals? Now you know all your money. Go a long way. We're very grateful for that. Thank you so much, man. Enjoy the rest of the show. Alright, how about another volunteer, but this time for a 1,000 peso bill? Alright, ma'am. You want? Alright, now please come here in front. Napailaan mo dun eh. Alright. Can I have your name, ma'am? Your name? Right, a round of applause for volunteer Miss Maymay. Right, ma'am. Can I have your money? Right. Same. Side your left arm sideways. Right. Putting your money between your fingers. Alright, ma'am. Can you move forward? Alright, Blue. Blue flies over, gets the money. Blue flies back again, and what will Blue do next? And he will donate the money! Thank you so much, man. We're gonna go back to your seat. Enjoy the rest of the show. Asa na tapos naka-volunteer? Are you guys both okay? Ma'am, are you okay? How about you, ma'am? Are you okay? I can really feel that you both are so sad right now. No, ma'am. Please come in front and Blue will give your money back. This is part of the show. But before Blue will give your money back, Blue wants to have a photo with you. Would that be okay? For souvenir, alright, ma'am? Both of you, please come here in front.
The bird will give back the
Please
money.
stand right next to Trader Irvin.
Oh, give back the money.
Alright, give us your best pose and smile together with Blue on Facebook profile. Right, we're good? Alright, thank you so much, ma'am. And here's your money bag. Alright, ma'am. Please come here in front. Alright.